In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free Hootsuite account. If you are looking to manage your social media in one place, setting up a Hootsuite account is the first step. The good news is that you can do it in just a couple of minutes, and you will be ready to get started right after you sign in. To begin, go to Hootsuite. On your computer or mobile device, open your web browser and type in the Hootsuite website address, or use a search engine to find the official Hootsuite site. When you land on the home page, take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct website. This matters because you want to make sure you are using the official service for account creation and sign in. Next, click Sign In. You will usually see this option in the top corner of the page or somewhere near the main menu. Clicking Sign In will move you from the general browsing area into the authentication area, where Hootsuite asks you to verify who you are. If you are already familiar with sign-in pages, you will notice the layout is designed to be straightforward and quick to follow. After you click Sign In, you will be prompted to sign in with the option Hootsuite provides. In the instructions for this process, you will then sign in with, on the screen, look for the method that allows you to continue using a Google account. This is the easiest path for most people because it can streamline the sign-in experience and reduce the need to create another login. At this point, choose your Google account. You should see a list of Google accounts or a Google sign-in window. Select the Google account that you want to use for your Hootsuite free account. If you are already signed into Google in your browser, your chosen account may appear right away. If not, you may be asked to enter your Google sign-in details before you can continue. Once you have chosen your Google account, follow any prompts that appear on the screen to complete the sign-in process. You may see confirmation messages about allowing Hootsuite to access certain account information. This is a normal part of using third-party apps with your Google account. Read the text carefully, then proceed when you are ready. The goal here is simply to complete authorization, so Hootsuite knows it is safe to create your session. When the sign-in is successful, you should be taken into your Hootsuite dashboard or a page that confirms your access. At this stage, you have effectively created or activated your account using the free sign-up flow that is tied to your Google sign-in. If you see any onboarding screens, those are optional steps designed to help you personalize your experience, but you can usually start using the platform right away. Now take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct area of the application. Look for signs that you are signed in, such as your account status, navigation options, or the presence of your dashboard elements. This small check helps you avoid confusion later if you expect it to land in the dashboard but instead ended up on a generic page. Finally, you can close the loop by verifying that you are ready to manage social media from Hootsuite. Since you are creating a free account, the important part is completing the sign-in successfully with your chosen Google account. After that, you can explore the features offered in the free plan. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.